Everyone, I'm Chanel from Stamping Stilettos, and I am back with the March Madness daily giveaway. We have a bit of an assortment of things to give away today. I have a selection of ribbons and sequins. This is just a way that I found to store some sequins here. So I've got a strip of this sequin ribbon here for you. Please be aware that there are pins holding these in, whoever wins this. So there are an assortment of ribbons there, and then I have one of the little miniature greetings that I made the other day. So cute. Some scraps. Now this is a card that I made last week, so there's that. There are some bookmarks that I've made. Now I've left them blank and haven't put ribbons in, so you can decorate them however you want. So there's 4 of those. There's one of these little embellishment things that I found in a charity shop, so I put one of them in. I have some little people. They're really cute actually. They're like foamy, felty little people. So there's a few of those, and I have a bag of die cuts, flowers, butterflies there, so you can have a lot of fun, and hearts with these toppers die cuts. So there's a bag of those as well. So it's a little bit of a scrapbooking, I don't know, bits and pieces sort of prize today. So I'm going to pop all of those in there, and then we'll find out who's going to have won today's giveaway. So I'll put them all to one side, and we're going to mix these up because I've added some more pinks in today. And I literally am closing my eyes. Oh, I had one and it escaped me. Oh, there you go. Right, I have one and it is blue, and it's 213. So that is today's winner. Now I'm just going to show you. I have all of these going out in the post tomorrow for some of you that have won. So these are going out tomorrow. So if you are waiting for a giveaway, I do them every week, once a week. So they are going out tomorrow. So that is today's giveaway. Keep watching. Tomorrow I will be doing something quite exciting, and I hope you've enjoyed my junk journal videos that I've put up earlier on today. Well, this might go up first, and the junk journal ones, not sure what order they're going to go in, but anywho, well done to number 213. Please email me your name and address if you are the lucky winner. My email address is in the description below. Lots more giveaways still to be had this week, and lots of you have tickets in here. They will stay in here till the end the end of the week. So good luck everyone, and see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.